Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a school management system in WordPress. Let's get started. In order to do that, we need to add a new theme. So head over and click on this add new theme right here. Once you have done that, it should be able to show you all of the things that they have available. For this one, let's head over and click on the search bar and search in here for school. Once you have searched for this, you should be able to see some templates related in here. Now you can see this program, zoologist, apostrophe, and everything right here. For me, I'll head over and then just choose this school template instead. Click on this install right here, and then it will install itself into my actual website. Once it's been installed, you head over and activate it in order to make this available. As you can see right now, it has been activated, so you can head over and click on this visit site right here in order to see what it looks like right now. So my site looks like this right now. It's really broken. So what we can do is we can head over and click on this customize option right here in order to customize it to our heart's content. In here, you can see the template parts such as comments, footer, header, and all of this. So for example, you can head over and then click on the particular part of the page, and you can head over and then just delete some things and click on this plus icon if you want to add some few more things for this case. So you can add some quotes, some quotations, headings, images, and other things that you want to add for this one. Once you're done with that, just head over and click on the save icon in order to save all your progress. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so if you leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.